In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use time tracking and reporting in ClickUp so you can accurately monitor your work hours, improve your team's productivity, and gain valuable insights into how you're spending your time. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that helps teams stay organized and focused, and understanding how to track time within it is a crucial skill for anyone wanting to optimize their workflow. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, let's jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is sign into your ClickUp account. You can do this by going to clickup.com and entering your credentials, your email and password. Make sure you're logged into the account associated with the ClickUp workspace you're planning to use. It's important to be logged in correctly to ensure you have the necessary permissions and access to all features. Next up, open the workspace where you want to track time. ClickUp organizes everything into workspaces, which are like your central hubs for all your projects and teams. Navigate to the specific workspace that contains the tasks you're working on, or the one where you want to start tracking time. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with the layout of that workspace. It will make the rest of the process much smoother. Now let's move on to a particular task. Navigate to the task you want to work on within that workspace. You can search for the task by name or browse through the list of tasks until you find the one you need. Click on the task's name to open it and reveal all of its details, including the time tracking functionality. Once the task is open, you'll need to locate the time tracking field within the task. This field is typically located towards the top of the task view, often represented by a stopwatch icon. Take a good look at the task details and find this key time tracking field. It's what allows you to start and stop your timer and record your work hours. Now, to start tracking your time, click the Start Timer button. This will begin the timer running as soon as you click it. The timer will automatically track the elapsed time while you're actively working on the task. Remember to keep an eye on the timer to ensure it's accurately capturing all of your work time. It's a good habit to quickly glance at the timer every so often. As you begin working on the task, simply allow the timer to run while your work is in progress. Don't worry about stopping or starting it constantly. ClickUp will automatically track the time based on when you start and stop the timer. A little tip here. It's best practice to start the timer as soon as you begin working on a task to avoid any discrepancies. When you're finished working on the task, click Stop Timer. This will pause the timer and record the total time that you've spent working on that task. Before you stop the timer, it's a good idea to quickly review the recorded time to make sure it represents the accurate amount of time you spent working on the task. After you've stopped the timer, you can review the recorded time entry. ClickUp will display the total time spent on the task, often broken down into increments. Take a moment to double-check the recorded time and ensure that it aligns with your recollection of the work you've done. This is your chance to correct any potential errors. If you need to add time manually, click Add Time. This allows you to supplement the automatically tracked time with any additional hours you've worked on the task. For example, if you took a short break but continued working on the task intermittently, you could manually add those hours here. Within the Add Time field, enter the amount of time worked. Be as precise as possible when entering the time, using the drop-down menu to select the specific time increment. You can also add notes describing the completed work if necessary. This provides valuable context to the time entry. Finally, save the time entry. Click the Save button to record the time data in ClickUp. Now you've successfully tracked your time for that specific task. Remember, regularly tracking your time is a fantastic way to understand how you spend your working hours and identify areas where you can improve your efficiency. Now let's talk about viewing reports. To view reports, open the Dashboard section in ClickUp. Dashboards provide a visual overview of your team's productivity and time tracking data. Create a new dashboard or open an existing one. ClickUp offers a variety of pre-built dashboards that you can use, or you can create your own custom dashboards to suit your specific needs. Once you've opened a dashboard, you'll need to add a reporting card. Click plus Add Card to create a new card on the dashboard. Select Time Reporting or a similar reporting card. ClickUp offers different card types that provide different types of time tracking insights. Configure the card by selecting the spaces, folders, or lists you want to filter the data by. This allows you to focus on specific teams, projects, or areas of your business. For example, you could filter by a particular project or by a specific team. Next, apply filters for assignees, dates, or projects. This allows you to refine your reports to focus on the most relevant data. For instance, you could filter to only see time tracked by a single team member. or to track time for a specific project date. Review total hours worked and productivity trends. ClickUp's reporting features will automatically generate charts and graphs that visualize your team's time tracking data, helping you identify trends and patterns. These reports will allow you to visualize data, which can inform better resource allocation. Analyze team workload and resource allocation. By analyzing time reports, you can determine which team members are overloaded and which tasks are taking the longest to complete. This information can be used to redistribute work and improve resource allocation. Finally, export reports if necessary. ClickUp allows you to export the reports in various formats, such as CSV, enabling you to further analyze the data in spreadsheets or share the findings with other stakeholders. Regularly review time reports to improve planning and efficiency. And that's it. You've learned how to use time tracking and reporting in ClickUp to accurately monitor your work hours, improve your team's productivity, and gain valuable insights into how you're spending your time. Don't forget to save this video for future reference. You can always revisit these steps whenever you need to track time again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.